So hey everyone, welcome to the course and let's start with the text decoration. So you might have seen that there is some alignment of the text inside the container or in website. But how we can do that? So the alignment actually varies and it's very important. For example, let's suppose that some of the text is lying up over on the right hand side and some of the text is lying on the left hand side. So if it is not justifiable, so that content is not going to look good. So let's see how we can adjust the text according to our requirements. So over here I already have one div which is having one h3 and a paragraph tag, but let's style it, and to this div I want to give width of 300 pixel and the height of 300 pixel and the background color. Then only we'll able to see much of a difference. Let's suppose it's Pesk. Okay, so let me just open this page, the live server. So if you'll see that it's looking something like this. So let's have some padding around it. I want to give it a padding. Padding of 50 pixel. Okay. So it is something like this. So it is center right now because I have given 50 pixel padding. But what if I am just giving padding from, let's suppose I have a width of 800 pixel, okay. So see, the width is going to be 800 pixel and the content is looking something like this. But I want the text align to be center. So the text is aligning center of the container. It is not the center of the browser, it is the center of the container. Similarly, you can put start, so it will be in the start C, okay, which is the by default one. And if you'll see end, if you'll say end, the text is going to be in the end. So if you'll say justify, the text is going to justify from both the sides. See, is the starting point is going to be same as ending point. That means it's going to occupy the exact spacing. What I want to say is, if you have this thing copied from here, okay, let's just copy the content from here, okay, copy it and paste it over here. So see, the equal spacing from both the side is there. So this is text justify. So if you want to, like, suppose you want to select H3, you want to underline this text. How you will do that? You will say text decoration. Let's suppose you want to line through. Line through means there will be a stroke on the text, okay. So it will be look like something like this, okay. So if you want to overline, that means you want to go above the text, you want to put a line which is above the text, so overline. So it's going to put a line here before the content, okay. So if you will say underline, so you know the underline means it will underline the text, okay. So it's your text decoration property. But what if you have used one anchor tag? So see, you have an anchor tag and let's suppose there is home. Okay, so this home is having some underline, but you want to remove it. For that thing, what you can do is select your anchor tag and say text decoration none, okay. So it will not have any line below the content, okay. I hope you have understood the text property. Thank you so much everyone.